In this video, I'll explain how to use Workflowy. Workflowy is an outliner tool. It's very simple and easy to use. It is very useful for especially content creation. You can use Workflowy for free of charge. However, a limited number of items you can make in the free plan. So I would highly recommend to the paid plan if you are using this tool quite frequently. So it only costs less than $10 a month, so it's quite affordable. So let's jump over to the main screen. This is Workflowy. As you can see, the best part of Workflowy is a hierarchical structure. So this test 2 is nested under test 1. You can just move it around, just dragging and dropping like this, or simply press tab key. So once you press tab key, this bullet point going down to the lower level like this. There is only 2 keys you have to remember, enter or tab. Once you hit enter, you can make a new bullet point. If you press tab key, it's going there down to the lower level like this. You can highlight the text simply highlighting the text like this. You can make it bold, underlined, italicized, and change the color as well. Workflowy is cloud-based tool, so you don't have to worry about losing the data because it has auto-save feature. You can customize the information very easily, like dragging and dropping. And for your information, this is not the default view. I changed the appearance by setting my preference by selecting the settings. So you can change the appearance by selecting these settings according to your preferences. Yeah, that's it. If you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.